All right, got my handy dandy trusty Kershaw. Is that? Yeah. Lotus. All right, let's see what we got here. Box numero uno. All right, looks like we got some wiring. Yep, this is our wiring kit. There's our switch. Cool. Oh. What do we got here? Cool little 4-inch LEDs. Huh. Cool. Number one. Number two. So these were originally gonna go in the front where I put the other two 3-inch LEDs for this last road trip. So maybe I'll swap these out, put these in the front, and the two that are in the front now up top. The ones in the rear that I put, such a lifesaver for reversing. And when I was up in the mountains and it was pitch black and I couldn't see anything and I needed to reverse, those lights were awesome. All right, so now the moment of truth. Let's see what this light bar looks like. Oh, more hardware for the LEDs. Cool. So this I bought on eBay. I know light bars can be pretty expensive. I have a friend that paid like $800 or something crazy for his light bar. This is a cheaper one. It's a 52-inch, I believe. Huh. Actually doesn't look too bad. These mounting brackets seem a little cheap though. I guess there's some sort of aluminum. Huh, I don't know. I don't know how well that would hold up on the trail, but here we go. Here's our nice LED curved 52-inch light bar. It's got the flood and it's got the spotlight. That actually feels pretty good. Feels pretty thick, pretty heavy. It's got a little bit of weight to it. Bet you that's gonna look real nice on the Jeep. Huh, not too bad. I like it. Not too bad. The mounting hardware, which I'm probably gonna get different brackets because these seem pretty friggin' cheap. I don't know. I have a feeling a couple rough trails and that thing could go flying off. And as you've seen in my last video, if you saw me up in Joshua Tree, it can get a little gnarly. I mean, I don't do crazy off-roading, but I do like driving some trails. Okay, so the LED feels pretty solid. It's got some weight, like I said, it feels pretty good. Now, I only bought it for like 70 bucks on eBay. I think it was like $69.95 or something. It came with the light bar, the wiring harness, and two of the 4-inch LED little lights. So I'm gonna get those installed on the Jeep, and when I do, I'll make a video of it, and I'll let you guys know how it does. I'll take it out at night and get a really good review for it, because for 70 bucks, I mean, you can't really beat that. Well, here it is all mounted. I just used the mounts that it came with. They're like some sort of aluminum. So we'll see how sturdy it is off-road on the trail, but it seems pretty solid. It's a good fit. Got the curvature. Here's a closer look at the mounts. And I just added that little bracket for the tubing on the roof rack. Ran the wire through the tube. Did the same thing with these other ones, just to kind of clean up the look a little bit. Well, yeah, there she is. All right, so finally got the light bar installed. Gonna flip it on and show you guys what this little eBay light bar, 69 bucks. Yeah, not too shabby, right? I mean, for $69, you can't go wrong. And it came with two little 4-inch pods. One more time. Not too bad. So here's the outside view. Yeah, it puts out decent light.